The following video is a demonstration of the integration between Dynatrace and Micro Focus Ops Bridge using the Ops Bridge connector. We can start by logging into the OBM connector UI and checking our connection to Dynatrace and Operation Agent in the Connected Systems menu. Once the connection to our systems is verified, we can then move to the Configurator menu and select what integration we want to make. We can search from the list of predefined integrations that come out of the box with the connector and are ready to use in seconds. For each template, we can add our systems and save the configuration. We have different templates for different data flows. Every integration has its own unique configuration, working with different data, having its own data filters and field mapping conditions. All of these configurations can be modified on the operation level for each integration, where we have our data filters, which are fully customizable and include dynamic selection of fields coming from the source system, and data mappings, which include fields from both source and destination systems, where you can create your own field mappings. Now that we have reviewed the basics, let's go and enable each of our configurations. To verify the data transfer, let's first go to our Dynatrace system and check how our topology looks there. We can focus on our applications and in specific our Jira web app. We can see that for this application we have related web services, processes and hosts. If we go to our RTSM view in OBM and look for this application, we can see that we have a business application CI created for it, which represents the application from Dynatrace. We have our web services, which are related to it. We have a CI collection, which represents a process group in Dynatrace, which is also related to a process, representing the process coming from Dynatrace. And this process is related to a host. This is the representation of the topology, similar to how we see it in Dynatrace. Next, we can focus on our problem to event synchronization, where we can use this open problem in Dynatrace for a starting point. If we go to OBM, event browser, we can see that we have this event transfer with category Dynatrace stating that this is where it came from. And if we open the event details for this event, we can see all the relevant information reported to the General tab, Additional Info tab, Source Info, Resolver Hints. We can also report the related CI based on the topology that we have reported for successful resolution. Finally, we have our metrics represented in the performance perspective in OBM, which can be reported to different hosts. We can add any metric that is collected from Dynatrace based on the metric name. and we can build dashboards. Metrics can also be reported for application level, where we can have, depending on the metric type, we can add any application metric that is available in Dynatrace. Thank you for watching.